Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone is still in good shape so far. Today I'm going to share a tutorial. This tutorial is based on question from Sound Murdo and I hope I pronounced your name correctly. So the question is, I would like to impose our town logo behind the officers and in between the flags. Alright, so I hope I can help you this, and actually I did already. So this is the officers in here and become focus and behind a little bit blur, and then this logo, so it seems like it's on the wall. And one of our friend in here asking for Yemi asking for how how please. Alright, so that's why I'm going to share this tutorial just to help others as well, and or beginners who doesn't know how to figure out if there is any requests, or maybe you are doing something like this or editing without using other applications. So this one, everything inside Canva. Alright guys, so without further delay, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Saramaha and I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So for those who are not yet having Canva Pro account, you can use this link on this video description to get upgrade your account. So the benefit of upgrading your account is you can get all access inside Canva. So this all element is that I use here is Canva Pro users. Alright, so this is all the element I use in here, and this is the result of this design that I made, and it's easy. So this one is gradient. This gradient name is gradient that fade to transparency. Alright, and then you can change this color later on. You just turning this one so that you can put on top in here, and then you just you just pull all the way down, and then change the color. To change this color, you just click this color and then use this pick color picker, and then you can change. All right, so that's why here it seems blur behind, because I use this this kind of gradient. All right, okay, so this element is from Sound Murdo, and I'm going to use this one to help others. So I hope I can be an answer for those who are wondering how to make this done. Alright, okay, so this is the result that I made already, but I'm going to let you know one by one. Okay, I'll just open the page. Okay, and there you go. I got this picture and I put on this fill and just paste it, and of course I replace the background, become like this. Okay, and I put in the middle so that all the position is in the middle. All right, okay, so we need to remove the background of this picture, okay, because I did already mine. So in here I will just copy this one. Okay, so I copy and I put in here. All right, so just to make it this one later on become blur, and then this one still sharp, this picture. Okay, so I'm gonna put in here. All right, for a while. Okay, now the logo is because now the logo, I think I need to let you know the logo. I will just get this logo and then I put in here. Okay, this logo you need to remove from edit image and remove the background. Okay, and then you will see later on this the white color over here is disappear. So to get it back this color, you need to restore. Okay, to restore and make the brush size become bigger and show the original. Okay, and then after that, restore the color and until it get done and correct. Okay, so I did already mine, so I'll just after done this one, you just apply. Okay, once you apply, you just wait for a while, and now we need to put, because the question is I would like to impose our town logo behind the officers and in between the flags. Okay, between the flags, so behind the officers. So I hope I put on the right position. Okay, so let's see. There you go. Okay, all right, so I just put in here in the middle, and I use the shadow for a while and drop shadow and click once again, and this blur. Okay, and this offset I put a little bit up, and angle I don't, yeah, this one all the way forward so that the shadow is a little stronger. All right, so once you are done, and we can check how it's positioned. All right, so maybe a little bit yeah, angle now, so it's this one change become bottom. Okay, so you need to check which one with bottom, and on the bottom, and this angle, no, you don't have to move that one, and this offset as well, yeah, kind of like that, and blur a little bit, and this one over here. Okay, maybe blur is 1, yeah, transparency something like 73. Okay, so if you feel this one is you're done and you feel good with that, you just apply. Okay, once you're done with that, remember to use this transparent. Okay, like I told you before, this one transparent I use in here, and I put on top in here. And to get this color transparent, as I told you, you just click this color and then pick a color from here. All right, so that you can change the color and similar and turning. Okay, all right, so we need to put the position backward, no, not backward, forward, and then this transparency becomes 74. So you can like 47, sorry, 47, and then this photo, the one that we just removed the background, we put on the top, and then there you go. Okay, the position put forward, and then it seems like the behind one is blurred. Okay, all right, so I think this is all the design, and if you like to make more bright, and you just range from here, maybe 36, you can put 36, and yeah, it depends on your, yeah, it depends on how you like, and if you're done, you just put so the key in here on transparency, and you can play with here. Okay, so I just played, I put 23, yeah, so that, or maybe 40, 30, 42, maybe 47, yeah, so it seems like they are behind this logo, and all right, okay, so I'm done. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you can figure out after watching this and you can make it. Alright, thank you. If you feel this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe to support. But if you don't like to get any notification from this channel, you don't have to subscribe, you just watch, that's fair enough. Alright, thank you, and have a nice day, and enjoy your creativity and keep learning. Bye bye.